Michigan State is playing in the new year as the #1 team in college basketball. The Spartans rank first in the Associated Press's latest collegiate basketball poll, released at noon on Monday. Michigan State received 43 of the possible 65 first-place votes. Number 2 Duke received 21 first-place votes, and number 3 Villanova received 1. It marks the fifth time in the history of almost 7 decades of the survey that the Spartans have earned the first place in the ranking. The last time was during the last week of calendar year 2015. The Spartans 14-1 got their last #1 ranking after winning 13 consecutive games by an average of more than 25 points per game. The state of Michigan has spent the entire year ranked among the first 4 teams in the survey, but until Monday it could not reach #1. The Spartans were number 2 in the preseason survey and the first survey of the regular season. After suffering his only loss of the season, the then #1 Duke on November 14, dropped to number 4. They climbed to number 3 a week later, and returned to number 2 on December 11, when Duke and then #2 Kansas lost. The Spartans were eliminated by Villanova that week, and they spent 3 weeks as number 2, until the Wildcats suffered their first loss of the season on Saturday at Butler to open the door for the Spartans to move up to first place.